Incorporated. I, recognizing the importance of empowerment, community development, and nation building, hereby pledge my commitment to uphold the values of integrity, service, and dedication to other Philippines. As an individual member, I commit to actively participating in initiatives that promote leadership, education, and civic engagement. I will advocate for causes that uplift communities and contribute to the national progress. While sharing my knowledge, skills and resources to strengthen our collective efforts. With transparency, accountability, and innovation as my guiding principles, I vow to support and sustain meaningful programs that create lasting positive change in our society. With this pledge, I affirm my dedication to being a responsible, engaged member, working toward a brighter future for all. Together we stand, united in our goal of empowering Filipinos para sa bagong Pilipinas. So help us, God. Thank you so much po. From the bottom of my heart, I would like to express my gratitude sa inyong lahat and congratulations po. You are now a certified member of NAA.